Today I'm reviewing the Mantis V2 gaming desktop with an RTX 5080 GPU, 16-core Ryzen 9 9950 by 3D, 96GB of DDR5 RAM, and a 4TB from Gen4 SSD. If you want to check current pricing or availability, it's linked below. I've spent extended time with this system in the way most serious gamers and creators actually will. Sessions of demanding games, background apps running, heavy multitasking, plus creative workflows like video export and large texture handling in 3D tools. This review isn't based on numbers from a spec sheet, it's grounded in real behavior on my desk. Let's set expectations clearly. This isn't a compact living room media PC or a light home office machine. It's built around high performance for gaming and heavy creative workloads. That's reflected in its size, thermals, and power draw. In everyday use, web browsing, office apps, video streaming, the system feels immediate. Windows launches, apps open, switching tasks is fluid. But where it diverges from more modest desktops is in sustained horsepower. That's where the combination of Ryzen 9 9950 by 3D and the generous memory pool really shows. When gaming at 1440p and 4K, performance scales with expectations for its hardware. In competitive titles like Valorant and Apex Legends, it easily holds high refresh rates with strong consistency. In modern AAA games at high-end ultra settings, it maintains playable frame rates without needing major tuning. There's headroom in settings before you ever feel the system is struggling. The RTX 5080 delivers that headroom. Ray tracing and DLSS/AI upscaling features are responsive in supported titles, which makes higher resolutions easier to approach. Frame pacing feels balanced rather than spiky. That's something you really notice in longer play sessions. Thermals and acoustics are important in a high-end rig, and they're measurable here. Under heavy gaming load or during lengthy creative exports, the cooling solution keeps the Ryzen 9 and RTX 5080 in safe temperature ranges. It's not silent, fans do spool up, but noise stays controlled and doesn't jump unpredictably. On idle or light tasks, acoustic output stays low enough that it blends into typical background noise. Memory and storage behavior aligns with premium expectations. 96GB of DDR5 RAM is more than most gamers need today. It keeps heavy multitasking, large projects, and background workflows intact without hitting memory limits. If you do work with huge datasets, virtual machines, or professional creative software, that capacity makes sense. For pure gaming alone, it's more than necessary, but it ensures you're not chasing memory bottlenecks. The 4TB Gen4 SSD delivers generous space and snappy performance. Game installs load quickly, asset streaming is smooth, and there's plenty of room for large media libraries and creative projects without an immediate need for external storage. Build quality and usability also matter. The chassis feels solid. Cable management is tidy. RGB lighting is present but not distracting. It's configurable, so it can be dialed down if you prefer a more reserved look. Connectivity covers what you'd expect: modern USB ports up front and back, fast network options, and clear video outputs. Now where this system sits in the broader desktop space depends on what alternatives you're weighing. If you're comparing this to a mid-range DIY build at a lower price point, you'll see clear performance advantages here, but you'll also see a price premium. Custom builds can trade cost for parts in ways factory systems often cannot. If maximum performance per dollar is the only metric you care about, a carefully researched custom build will sometimes beat pre-configured systems. If you're comparing this to other high-end pre-built desktops, the strengths here are its balanced approach, strong CPU and GPU pairing, large memory, and massive storage all in one box with a warranty. That's the convenience edge. Who this system makes sense for: gamers who want strong performance at 1440p and a path toward 4K, content creators who use heavy multitasking and large projects, people who want minimal upgrade pressure for years, users who appreciate a turnkey solution with warranty support who it's less appropriate for, casual users whose needs stop at office apps and video streaming, buyers prioritizing the absolute lowest cost per frame, those who prefer ultra-compact or silent PCs above all in daily use. This feels like a high-performance desktop that handles its intended roles without theatrics. It isn't about hype peak numbers. It's about steady, repeatable performance. Check current pricing below and evaluate it against your needs.